Hi folks, and welcome back to another Travels of Red Rover. I'm Shawn.
And I'm Corinne.
And where are we tonight, Corinne?
We're in Kodachrome Basin State Park in Utah, not far from Tropic. And we are specifically at Chimney Rock.
And we're going to try to do some evening photography here. It's just about coming into golden hour right now, and we're going to use that to do some shots. We're probably not going to get a great sunset tonight because there's no clouds in the sky, and the last few nights really haven't given us kind of any interest at all in the sky. So probably a golden hour shoot, and we'll wrap it up around sunset.
Here's a view of Chimney Rock. I think it's named this way because of that really prominent concave area on its south face. We're standing on the southwest side, and it's really nicely lit right now. Gets nice light from mid-morning till late afternoon, and there's some nice cliff faces back there as well. You can drive right up to Chimney Rock, so there's no hike involved.
One of the things I love about Kodachrome Basin State Park is that you can purchase a permit to fly your drone and take some photographs, both video and photographic, of the various spires. And I had a great time doing that while we were there. So in addition to shooting some interesting video of the various spires, and in this case Chimney Rock, I also took quite a few still photographs. I love being able to take a really different angle as part of my photographic study of various places that we go. For those of you that have an interest in drone photography and filming, I'm using the DJI Mavic Pro with the Hasselblad camera to take these photographs. I love this camera because I can have great control over the settings as I'm working both the video and the photographs. When I'm out there, I often try a lot of what I would describe as unique high-risk shots, and this is actually one of them where I'm trying to fly into the sun to get the sun coming over the spire. I'm not sure I really like it, but it was fun trying it out, and gave a very interesting and different perspective to Chimney Rock. So one of the things I'd be very interested in is to get an idea of how other folks are implementing drone photography, and both from a video and stills perspective, into their workflow. If you have any comments, please leave them down below, because I'd be very interested in your thoughts about this. So without further ado, here are some of the shots that I took of Chimney Rock while we were out there that evening.
Here's my camera set up for tonight doing Chimney Rock, and I'm also including in my photograph a spire that's there in the background. I've got my camera on aperture priority and ISO 100. f-stop is f16, and I've got a few shadows in the foreground. You might be able to also make out that the Park Service has put a sign right in front of the rock. So we might have to do a little bit of post-editing cleanup to get rid of that sign if we want to make this a little bit more natural looking.
So the Chimney Rock in and of itself is not all that great a photographic subject. It's a bit plain with not much around it. In fact, it gets a little bit hidden by the rocks behind it. What I've done is I've added both the uh, two juniper trees and the spire out in the background. When, quite frankly, the spire out in the background is a lot more interesting than the Chimney Rock. So trying to balance it off a little bit. The only issue I have is that up in this part of the sky, there's really nothing to fill in. If we had a white puffy cloud up there, it would be a lot better shot. Anyway, that's about the best you can do from here. We're going to go and try some other shots from some other locations, probably of the spire that's out in the background there. The shot's really not very complicated. Shooting at f13 ISO 100. I'm wide, as wide as my lens can go here, or pretty close to as wide as it can go. And it's really a very, very straightforward shot. Corinne and I have walked over to the spire. Corinne is right over there. Just barely see her. And we're taking some last of the golden hour shots of the spire here. The light on it is absolutely beautiful. It's got some really nice shadows that really help frame it. I'm using the little, let me zoom in on this, the little tiny juniper tree out in the front here for the front corner piece, and then using the spire to anchor the right hand side, and the rest of the fan sand hill here, sand mountain really, to fill out the shot. Settings haven't changed much. Shooting at about f13, still shooting pretty wide, about 24 millimeters, ISO 100, and a white balance of about 5500. Anyway, pretty straightforward shot, just a matter of composing. Well, that was a fun but short evening. The light came, it was nice, and then it was gone.
Yeah, we only had golden hour. There was not much here for sunset, so we finished up and we're going to drive back to our campsite with a little bit of light left.
Yep, that's actually unusual for us. Usually we're diehards that just stick out here until the bitter end, but we can already see there's really going to be no color in the sky at all tonight. So anyway, we're packing up. It's time to go get warm because it is really cold out here with the wind. And it's no fun just standing out here in the cold.
Well, if you've enjoyed our video, we hope you'll give us a thumbs up.
And as always, if you enjoy watching us, don't forget to subscribe. We really appreciate all our subscribers, and it really does help us out.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell down there so that you know when we post new videos.
And as always, we love hearing from you, so don't hesitate to leave us a comment, a thought, an idea, a question. We appreciate them all, and we answer them all. And it's getting cold, Corinne, so let's head back. And until next time, folks, bye for now.
Bye for now.